I'm going to explain how product bundles may not work for you and how you can use them properly. Quick spoiler, it's all to do with price anchoring. I discovered this actually when I was running an e-commerce store myself back in the day, but I've seen a lot of our clients that we run fulfillment for do this themselves. A couple of years ago, a client of ours who was doing pretty well tried running a campaign directly to a bundle page rather than a single product page. The idea was to bump up their average order value, but it didn't really work out too well. Now, the reason I don't think it worked very well for them, and I don't think it really works that well in general, although it depends on the product we're talking about, is because the customers go on the page and see a huge price tag straight away and just click off because they're not interested in spending so much in one go. And for that reason, I think it's better to send traffic to a single product page where they see the price of that one product above the fold, so they think, okay, this doesn't cost too much, I can afford this. And then later on offer, extra upsells or in-cart upsells or post-purchase upsells so that you can increase that AOV without pushing away those customers who just wouldn't be interested in any extra products themselves. For example, imagine I offered you a button which your grandmother can press if she falls over or has any emergency that alerts you, your family, and the authorities so that she's not in any danger because she can always get help. Now you are anchored at $20 in terms of price. Then for an additional $30, I offer you a camera that you can place in your grandmother's living room that allows you to see through an app on your phone whether she's okay or not. And that $30 doesn't really seem too much of a stretch more than the $20 that you're already anchored at. At least it's not as much as if I had offered you both the camera and the button for $50 straight away. Now imagine I offer you a second camera for $20 and a third camera for $10. Those cameras are going to feel like a steal in terms of price because you've already agreed that the value of the camera that you are already willing to purchase is $30. Now you're being rewarded for having purchased the button and the camera with getting 2 extra cameras for free, or well, 2 extra cameras for a huge discount. Those cameras can then be placed in other parts of the house so that, wherever your grandmother is, you feel safe in the knowledge that you can see her and that she hasn't fallen over somewhere unable to get up. Now imagine I offer you the entire bundle for $80, which is just the cost of all those products added together. There are 2 issues with this. The first is those who just wanted the button that maybe they saw in an advertisement are not going to be interested in that huge price tag. They want their $20 button, so they're going to click off straight away and you're going to lose that potential customer. Secondly, it's going to be more of a climb to go from an unknown price to $80 compared to first $20, then an extra $30, then an extra $20. It just feels like less of a huge jump, which makes it more likely that someone will accept the higher price once they've gone incrementally up. While some people would still be willing to pay the $80 for the bundle, if you just offer the first product as the starter, then this way you manage to sweep up all the customers who wouldn't be willing to, and at the same time give yourself an opportunity to increase average order value by offering those other products incrementally. So it doesn't feel like as much as a jump as I just mentioned. So while it may feel very enticing to just send people to a bundle straight away rather than a single product page, in my experience, it is not the best because while your AOV will increase, your average order value, your actual conversion rate is often going to decrease, and it may decrease so much to the extent where that increase in AOV is not going to be worth it for you. And if this helped you at all, then hit that like button or subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.